In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, I'm going to continue how to show you how to fly the space shuttle and give you a preview of the latest book that just came out and show you how to find that on Amazon. But first, what we are going to do is we're going to continue our work on the primary flight display, and one of the last buttons for the MEDS display. So if you click on the primary flight display, it takes you to the primary flight display page. We're going to go all the way down here to this last button right here, the MEDS message acknowledge. And when you click on it, it takes you to the MEDS message acknowledge button. Now here you can see it isn't cyan because it's not being used, but what this keypad operation is a single stroke key, and by depressing it, acknowledges receipt of a fault message on the fault message line by causing the message to become static, and by the extinguishing the SM alert light and soft controller tones. If multiple messages are indicated on the CRTs or the screens, each subsequent press of the ACK key will bring up the oldest message unacknowledged, the next oldest unacknowledged message, and clears out the latest acknowledged one. So what this does is, okay, we have a bunch of messages on the screen, but they're put away because we use the other button, which was the reset button, the MEDS reset button, and we press that, message goes away. Now this one, if we select this button, okay, the screen is clear. Now that message is going to come up for you to be able to read it. The most recent one will come up first. Then if you push it again, it will bring up the next message in the order that it happened, starting from the latest one to the oldest one. So that's all this message does, but that is a huge thing. And the reason why it is a huge thing is it can clear this screen, so if there's things happening and you're trying to work through problems, and then you have the screen cleared up, if another message comes up that might be more life-threatening, then you can go to that that warning that happened. But most likely what you're going to want to do is go to the oldest message, because that's usually what brought all the other ones up. And that's been from experience from flying the airplanes. Now, I hope you enjoyed this episode on the space shuttle and teaching you how to fly it, and if you liked what you saw with the message acknowledge button, please, please, please like down below and share it with your friends, and then write a comment. All of that helps us to really get this page going. We're starting to pick up a little bit of steam, but it still doesn't hurt to get a little bit more. And from that, I want to thank all of my subscribers. And speaking of thanking the subscribers, now, if you are a subscriber to my Patreon page, even the free one, and again, it's free. It doesn't cost you a thing. And if you are a free member and you click on schematics,